Presenting the ISUZU FVR Firefighting Solution. When every second is precious, reliability is not just a choice, it's a responsibility. When the city sleeps and a call for help rises from somewhere in the distance, there are those who move forward without a second thought for their own safety. In those moments, what's needed is the kind of power that can turn the toughest roads into a clear path. Robust engineering, exceptional performance, and the trust that stands firm in every emergency. That is the identity of the ISUZU FVR. Stability in every mission, reliability in every journey, and the strength in every operation to reach the destination before time runs out. So that when lives are on the line, every moment, every decision, and every step can be taken with complete confidence. ISUZU Firefighting Solutions, moving the world for your safety.